A Theory of Justice by John Rawls, exploring principles of fairness and equity. John Rawls' magnum opus, A Theory of Justice, published in 1971, has left an indelible mark on political philosophy and ethics. In this monumental work, Rawls delves into the intricacies of justice, proposing a comprehensive theory that aims to reconcile individual liberty with social equality. By addressing fundamental questions about the distribution of rights, opportunities, and resources in society, Rawls' theory seeks to establish a framework that ensures fairness and equity. In this detailed analysis, we delve into the key aspects of a theory of justice, examining its central principles, the original position, the veil of ignorance, and its enduring impact on ethical and political discourse. 1. The veil of ignorance. A cornerstone of Rawls' theory, the veil of ignorance serves as a thought experiment. Rawls proposes that individuals should make decisions about justice while imagining themselves in a position of complete impartiality, devoid of any knowledge about their own social status, wealth, talents, or personal attributes. This hypothetical scenario encourages the creation of just principles that benefit all members of society, regardless of their inherent advantages or disadvantages. 2. The original position. Central to Rawls' theory is the concept of the original position. Rawls envisions a hypothetical contract where rational individuals behind the veil of ignorance gather to deliberate and establish principles of justice. In this deliberation, they strive to create a just society that they would willingly enter without knowledge of their own circumstances. 3. Two principles of justice. Rawls proposes two principles of justice that individuals behind the veil of ignorance would agree upon. The first principle, equal basic liberties. This principle ensures that each individual enjoys the most extensive set of basic liberties that is compatible with the same liberties for all. The second principle, difference principle. Rawls introduces the idea of socioeconomic inequalities being acceptable only if they benefit the least advantaged members of society. This principle aims to minimize disparities and improve the welfare of the most vulnerable. 4. Reflective equilibrium. Rawls employs the concept of reflective equilibrium as a method to develop his theory. This process involves constant refinement and adjustment of principles through dialogue and reflection. Rawls argues that principles of justice should align with our considered moral judgments and intuitions. 5. Justice as fairness. Rawls' theory is often referred to as justice as fairness. He posits that justice is achieved when societal structures and institutions are organized in a manner that individuals would deem fair from behind the veil of ignorance. This framework emphasizes the importance of fairness and equity in distributing rights, resources, and opportunities. 6. Critiques and debates. A theory of justice has elicited extensive debate and critique. Critics have raised concerns about the feasibility of the original position, the implications of the difference principle, and the treatment of cultural and religious diversity within Rawls' framework. These discussions have contributed to the ongoing refinement and development of Rawls' theory. 7. Enduring impacts. Rawls' work has had a profound impact on political philosophy, ethics, and public policy. It provided a structured framework for analyzing issues of distributive justice, individual rights, and the role of the state in creating a just society. Rawls' emphasis on fairness and his innovative methods of thought experiments have influenced subsequent generations of philosophers and policymakers. Conclusion: a framework for just societies. A Theory of Justice by John Rawls remains a seminal work that challenges us to rethink our conceptions of fairness, equality, and justice. Rawls' thought experiments, principles, and concepts like the veil of ignorance continue to shape discussions on social justice, inequality, and the role of governments in creating just societies. While the theory is not without its controversies and debates, its enduring impact underscores the enduring relevance of Rawls' pursuit of justice as fairness in an imperfect world.